Okay, now let us see how to find the inverse of a matrix. Sometimes when the dimension of a given matrix is larger, it may be difficult to calculate its inverse using manual. But Excel makes it easy to calculate the inverse of a given matrix with some seconds. Assume, let us take one matrix, say matrix A, with dimension of 3 by 3. By the way, to calculate the inverse of a given matrix, the matrix should be square matrix. That means it should have equal row and column. Say the given matrix A is 2 by 2. Elements of this matrix say 2, 1, and 3 on the first row, and on the second row say 4, 5, 6, and on the third row say 7, 8, and 9. This given matrix, say matrix A. Then in order to calculate the inverse of this matrix A, we will follow some steps, say 3 steps at least. First, we have to select another place, which is answer place, the same dimension with the given matrix. Since this given matrix is 3 by 3 matrix, we have to select another 3 by 3 cell equal dimension with the given matrix. Then type equal sign, say equal. Then type mi. When we type mi, it displays the formulas. It says M inverse, which stands for inverse of a given matrix, and we double click that M inverse to bring the formula. Then first select the given the first row, which is the first element, which is 2. Then shift plus and click on the last element, which is 9, and it selects all elements of the given matrix, and close the brackets, that is shift plus this. Then in order to display the answer, we have to simultaneously on the keyboard Control plus Shift plus Enter. Control plus Shift, then Enter. This is the answer for the given 3 by 3 matrix, which is in decimal place. Then we can calculate the inverse of a given matrix within few seconds.